In this video, we head out in the van to visit a local theme park because rumour has it they've got carp or koi carp in their lakes. And we're going to see if we can find them. And we get a bonus visit while we're on site to one of the attractions there that I wasn't expecting. But first, I've got to sort some sort of a cover for my sky pond because now the temperatures are dropping, I want to see if I can maintain the sky pond on as long as I can, but in the night time try to keep it not getting the water too cold. So I put like a thermal jacket around it. Let's go. So I'm going to start some prep on the pond, and something I'm going to do earlier than when we close the pond down is get some insulation put on the sky pond, and I'll show you why. So the sky pond itself, it does need a clean. I haven't cleaned it now for at least I would say maybe 3 or 4 weeks. I haven't really touched it since we've been doing the Costier treatments and the blanket weed treatments and other things that have been happening around the pond that have waited until the last minute. So I'm going to get it cleaned off, and I'm going to get some insulation because at the moment the weather in the UK where we're situated now, I've still got the brolly up, but the brolly's going to be coming down real soon because it's getting quite windy. It's on certain days. Today's nice and calm, so I've got a nice calm day today, keeping the brolly up. Sun's been out, so I'm just shading the pond from the sun, but I need to get this out and put some insulation around it. So I'm going to get it off, get it cleaned, and then get it on the side and show you what I mean. So with the sky pond nice and zinc ping, it's time to get a wrap for it. Nice wrapping, isn't it? I don't know. I was out the other day doing a bit of shopping. Hate shopping. Fortunately, unfortunately. And we're in a place called, in the UK, called Dunelm. Dunelm. Anyway, we were looking for some stuff. We were looking for some bits and pieces for the wife and my daughter. And I came across some of this insulating stuff, multi-purpose super foil, multi-purpose wrap, which is the same stuff as I put inside the doors of my filter system. And I thought, oh, I forgot all about that, we've only left. But I'd used the rest of it on my garage doors to insulate the inside of the garage over winter. So I thought, perfect. What we'll do then, we'll get some of this. I think it's 20 UK pounds for a roll, which is 0.6, half a metre by 7.5 metres. Loads of it. 20 quid. So I thought, right, what we'll do is we'll grab some of this and see if we can make like a blanket. Especially wrap it all the way around so I can take it off and put it on, because at night time, because the air temperature is getting quite cool at night time, I'm going to start slipping this little jacket on because I've got a big lump of water sitting in mid-air that's cooling down over night time. And I know I've got no cover on the pond at the moment, and you know, covers aren't going on for a little while yet, but I thought it might just help with sort of just maintain a bit of heat over through the night time, and maybe stop going as green as well, even though it's at night. So let's see what we can do. So the idea is to wrap this stuff around like this. So it wraps around like that, and then obviously I'll fold these in and then create a roof for it as well, or a lid, so that it insulates the top as well, and we go from there, I think. So let's crack on with that and see how far we get. So there you go, first draft of it is just taped together. I had a lot of silver, this duct tape stuff, so I don't know how good it is in water though. It's going to be outside if it starts raining. So I'm going to get it taped up now, get it back on the pond, and then see what happens, see if it lifts off and slips back on alright. Should be okay, let's get it finished. Right then, rock and roll, that looks pretty good. I'm going to take this off now, put the sky pond back on, fill it with water, and then put its jacket back on again. Called it a jacket now. Everything's got a name on Koi Pond Lifestyle. Cool. Right, the Sky Pond space jacket is ready to go on, so we're going to get it fitted. See how it looks. We've even written Sky Pond on it. Just need a little bit more tape. I'm quite chuffed with that. That's alright, that is, because I'll only be using it when the air temperature's dropping right off, as it is at the moment here, as we're sort of heading through autumn now. And you know, the pond temperatures are getting, the air temperatures are getting quite low. So I needed something really to just do with that block of water and maybe not cool the pond down too quickly. So yeah, quite chuffed with that. Just put it on at night time now, take it off in the day. Everybody's happy. And the fish will go up in it when it's dark. Don't know, I'll find out. So we've arrived now at Alton Towers, and I really hope these fish are there, because everybody keeps telling me that there is some fish in either the lake, in the main, you know, where the towers are, where the gardens are, or in the hotel. So first of all, we're going to head into the hotel and see if there's any in the hotel lake. I doubt it. Again, I'm going off what people are telling me, so I don't know. Let's go find out. Right, so we come up to the Alton Towers Hotel, and I hear a rumour that there is some fish and some koi in this lake behind me. So we're going to have a little bit look. But it's like pea soup in there, so I really don't think we're going to see any fish in there. But we can have a look. There is no way in the world we're going to see any fish in this lake. So we're going to jump on the monorail and go down into Towers, see if we can find any in the lake there. Yay, at last I found the fish. They're in the main boating lake, so if you ever come to Alton Towers, you've got the main entrance over there, and then where the towers are, which are over there. So as soon as you see the towers when you come in, you've got the big lake right in front of you, which is across the back of me now, and this is where the carp are. But I can't, you've seen from the video now, I don't know where they're, I think they might be mirror carp or common carp. But anyway, so they're in there, so we found them and they're in there. So now we've got a result, at least. At least we've managed to find them at Alton Towers. It's taken me all day in the trip to Alton Towers. Mind you, one excuse to come to Alton Towers for the day. Right, so as a little added bonus, I've got Dazzy B, one of a good friend of mine I used to work with at Alton Towers, that's come along with me today to sort of show me around a little bit, because he was here a little bit after I left. So, and his project, he had a really good project, which was the Sea Life Centre? Yep. Yeah, called the Sea Life Centre. So he's going to take us into the Sea Life Centre to show us around in there and show us what he did. And it's all to do with saltwater stuff. So this should be dead interesting. So we'll go there now and have a quick look. So how good was that? That was excellent. I've not been in an aquarium for years and years since I've been in an aquarium, and that's a high quality aquarium that is at Alton Towers. The Daz who was in the background, doesn't want to go on camera, he was giving me a running commentary on what was salt water and what was fresh water and what different part of the fish mean, and all the fish had names and stuff, but I couldn't do it in there because they were sort of doing a number of talks in there, so I didn't really want to disturb things, and of course it was very quiet in there, so I didn't me waffling away in the middle of there, so I thought it was really good how that worked. So thanks Daz, that was good. So thank you ever so much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe, ding the bell for notification, and also YouTube tell me there's a little hype button you can press nowadays. No idea. If you see it, press it. So thanks very much for watching.